happening 4 times. Okay, first section 做一个 mambo step. Lock, recover, touch, step. 1, 2, 3, 4. Start on left foot. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then right foot back. 5, 6, 7, 8. Touch and step. Counting. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Second section, you do a bigger half turn. Step left foot, half right turn. Step right turn, and then you hook right foot up. 勾右脚起来 cha cha cha. Then you step left foot, quarter left turn. 5 left turn. This time you flick right foot behind, then right cha cha. Okay, so the counting for second section: 2, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, cha cha cha. Okay, third section, go left side together, 4 count. Left together, left touch, slow count. Then right full turn, 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 cha cha cha, into a cha cha step. Okay, section 3, 侧并侧. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right turn, cha cha cha. Okay, last section very simple. Do a New York. You all have learned a lot. New York. Left New York, cha cha cha. Right New York, cha cha cha. Finish. Okay, now I walk through one more time. This is second wall now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, and 4. 5 left turn, 7 and 8. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 4, 2, cha cha cha. 5, 6, cha cha cha. Okay, now we are on wall 3. End of wall 3 there will be a 4 count tag. I will show you the tag later on. We are on third wall now, up to 9 o'clock. 1, 2, 3, 4. 后大点前大，右半转，右恰恰，左转又是右恰恰。3、2、3、4、5、6、7和8。New York， 恰恰恰 ，New York， 恰恰恰。Then the last, after this you do a 4 count tag. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slowly you turn 4 count and quarter come to front wall. Then start from beginning again. You will continue 4, 5, 6, 7. Wall 8 here, you will need to do the tag again. So wall 8 从这边跳。1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, cha cha cha. 5, 6, and cha cha cha. 3, 2, 3, 4. Right full turn and cha cha cha. 4 New York, cha cha cha. New York, cha cha cha. Then do the same tag again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 大转大转. Then continue down. So the tag that means you do 2 times. End of wall 3, end of wall 8. Okay, now we go with the music just to tag 4 wall. Or you all can video down.